What a plunge pool used for and how is a plunge pool built? Hello friends, today we will talk about what a plunge pool used for and how is a plunge pool built. Plunge pools are now an extremely popular swimming pool choice in many countries, because they offer a wide variety of benefits in a compact package. Here we take a detailed look at all aspects of the plunge pool, and discuss why it is an option you might want to consider when choosing your new pool. Plunge pool sizes. A plunge pool is smaller than a regular swimming pool, with some plunge pool sizes being extremely compact. It usually has a length of anything between 2 meters and 6 meters, and a width of 2 meters to 3.5 meters, so it is ideal for fitting into backyards which are too small to house a full-sized pool. The depths of plunge pools vary widely, with the average being around 1.2 meters, but many are much deeper than this, as a greater depth creates more versatility in a pool with a small surface area. What is a plunge pool used for? The main purpose of a plunge pool is relaxation. Plunge pools are based on the natural pools which occur at the base of a waterfall, as these have traditionally been associated with health and rejuvenation, with many people finding bathing in them a relaxing and calming experience. A plunge pool in your backyard is a way of recreating this on your own property. To enable you to relax more easily in the water, plunge pools usually contain generous seating areas. Some also come with the option of spa jets so you can enjoy hydrotherapy as you relax. This is excellent for relieving stress and reducing levels of anxiety, as well as being beneficial for the skin. It can also improve the well-being of people suffering from muscular injuries and painful medical conditions. However, just because a plunge pool size is small, this doesn't mean it can't be used for swimming. There is enough space to swim in a plunge pool, although it is not sufficient to give you a really good workout. This can be changed, though, by adding swim jets, which provide enough resistance in the water to enable you to swim in one place, giving you all the benefits of swimming laps without the need for a larger pool. Plunge pools can also be used for other forms of exercise by adding equipment such as an underwater treadmill or water bike, which are ideal for improving cardiovascular fitness and muscle tone. In addition, a plunge pool, as its name suggests, is ideal for plunging into as a way of cooling down on a hot summer day. For a small pool, it is surprisingly multifunctional. What are the other benefits of plunge pools? In addition to the obvious benefits for health and fitness, there are a number of other important advantages to owning a plunge pool. The most obvious of these is that it allows people with small backyards to own their own swimming pools. A full-sized pool is unlikely to fit into a backyard in major cities where homes tend to be crowded together. However, a small plunge pool can be the perfect fit for the space. This not only enables you to enjoy all the benefits of your own swimming pool, but it also makes your backyard look much more attractive. A pool is a luxurious addition to any backyard, no matter the size, and a plunge pool can make a small backyard look more stylish and better maintained. It is easy to plan a cohesive and thoughtful landscaping design around a small pool, so it increases the functionality of your backyard as well as improving its appearance, as designing the landscaping around the pool enables you to make the best possible use of the space. This can also have the added benefit of increasing the value of your home. Prospective buyers want to see an attractive, highly functional and thoughtfully planned property, so a plunge pool can help you tick all the boxes and achieve a higher sale price. Even if you don't plan to sell your home, a plunge pool makes your property more attractive for you to look at, and also increases your opportunities to have fun with your family. You can easily supervise the kids in a small plunge pool, so it gives you peace of mind while they enjoy themselves in the water. And after they've gone to bed, you can enjoy this wonderfully relaxing and tranquil space all to yourself, or reconnect with your partner by spending time in the water together. How is a plunge pool built? Plunge pools are built in very much the same way as larger-sized swimming pools, either in-ground or above ground. An above-ground plunge pool is the cheaper option as there is hardly any installation work required. However, these often do not look as attractive as in-ground plunge pool. To install a plunge pool in-ground is a significant building job which takes the same amount of work as installing a larger swimming pool. Concrete plunge pools are particularly popular as these can be designed and built to your own specifications. A skilled concrete pool builder will be able to bring your plunge pool ideas to life and create a completely unique plunge pool specifically for your backyard. This can be a highly luxurious asset which is well worth the investment. Fiberglass plunge pools are another popular choice, although these are less easy to customize as the pool shells are prefabricated. There are a large range of plunge pool designs available, however, and you do have options when it comes to pool color, lighting and water features to put your own stamp on the pool. Choosing a concrete or fiberglass plunge pool makes sense, as both of these materials are strong and safe enough to ensure your pool lasts for life. This is not often the case with DIY plunge pool options, which are usually made from cheaper, flimsier materials and will only last for a few years before needing to be replaced. In this time, you will also need to do regular repairs and maintenance. DIY plunge pools do not tend to be good value for money, so it makes more sense to spend a bit more on a higher quality pool, which will be a good investment. Plunge pool costs. Plunge pool costs are difficult to estimate as every pool is different. Your requirements for your pool will not be the same as anyone else's, and no two backyards are alike, so plunge pool installations have to be priced on an individual basis following a consultation. Concrete plunge pools are particularly difficult when it comes to estimating the cost, as these are built from scratch specifically for you, so the price will be determined by the plunge pool design you want and the conditions at your site, as these factors dictate the ease or difficulty of the installation. Above-ground plunge pools are the most cost-effective, ranging in price from around $2,000 to $7,000 for a good quality model. However, these can look obtrusive as they are not built into the ground, so it can be difficult to make them appear an integrated part of your property. If you prefer the sleeker looks of an in-ground plunge pool, which many homeowners do, you can expect to pay more. A small plunge pool installed in-ground will cost you around $13,000, while a larger, more elaborate model could be as much as $50,000 for a completely bespoke, original design. These prices do not include the cost of extra features such as spa jets or swim jets. If you want these features included, you should budget for several $1,000s more than the basic price of the pool. You also need to factor in the cost of fencing. Plunge pools, just like larger pools, need to be fenced on all sides. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.